On this episode of Ghost Host Kitchen, we are making an easy taco pie recipe. Now, it starts with your ground beef, which you just brown. Add some taco seasoning to taste. You can add a whole packet or not. It's really up to you. A little bit of water, simmer that together. Now, in a pie pan, you're going to spray it down with some cooking spray. You don't want it to stick. And then you're going to lay out a crescent roll dough sheet. Now you can get this as unperforated or just perforated, doesn't matter. That you're going to put a little bit of cheese on the bottom and then load up your hamburger meat. Put it all in there. Then top it off with some nice crunchy tortilla chips. These are going to add a bit of sweetness to the recipe. On top of those chips, you're going to put some sour cream. Make sure you spread it all out. This is going to add a lot of flavor to it. It's going to keep everything moist. It's a really good addition. It's not overpowering, and it just really brings a level of pleasantness to the dish that is unexpected for the amount of sour cream that you're adding. Now on top of that sour cream, put in more cheese. Yep, a lot of cheese. Then you're going to bake it 350 degrees, 20 to 25 minutes until the cheese is nice and bubbly. Top of that, you're going to garnish it with as much lettuce and tomato as you like. You can also add salsa, more sour cream, whatever. But that's it. It is a super easy recipe. Thanks for watching. Come back soon to Ghost Host Kitchen.